What's going on, guys? Review tuber back with another video, but before we get into that, I've got a couple of things I gotta say. First off, my new space, I dig it, I love it. Took a while to get it this way, but I'm proud of it. It's not finished, but it's getting there, it is getting there. And someone commented on my last video. Oof101 is his name. He comments on all my videos and I appreciate him a lot. He commented on my last video about my lighting. I'm going to put the comment up on the screen somewhere. I just want to say a massive shout out to him for bringing it to my attention. A couple of my friends have said it as well, so I hope that this lighting is a little bit better, and any other feedback I get would be very much so appreciated. Another thing is, for this video coming, it's a little bit of a different video. When I done the unboxing, I used a mic I don't really use anymore, and I don't have the audio file for it, so apologies for the terrible audio. It's going to be from the camera microphone, but it's only for the unboxing part. The rest of it will be decent. And one massive favour, you know what I mean? I want to see if I can reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. It's now September, so I mean, I think it's plausible. So let me know if you think that's going to work or not. But yeah, so let's get into the actual video now. What's going on, guys? The review tuber here. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's unboxing, we're going to be unboxing the Blixxo Lapel Mic. It's like a lapel mic, clips onto your shirt or whatever. So this came today, like as I record this. And one thing is, can you see this? Look at this. This is how it came from Amazon. Ripped and just not good. And I was very upset over it. I don't like that. But anyway, that's just a different topic. So into this. I wanted to get one of these. I like this. This is really cool. Magnetic. They're great. I wanted to get one of these because it'd be easier to use instead of setting up a mic and a laptop and stuff. I could just like hit record on my phone and go about them, and hopefully the audio might be a bit better. We'll see. But this is what it looks like in the box. Nice box if it wasn't ripped. So, you know, so let's pop open into it. And again, it's another box without any sellotape to use my new knife. Okay, so that was pretty premium. That was very premium, I have to say. We don't need boxes, we don't need paperwork. So you get a little muff for it, for like if you're outside to stop the wind. Little clip. It's a very little clip. That's a metal clip. That's half the metal clip. The other half is still in here, that's cool. I might need to use the paperwork to see how I put this together. Or if I put it together, we'll put them to one side. You also get this adapter. It's like a 3.5mm jack to a USB. It's supposed to fit in GoPros up top, like that, and other cameras and stuff, so you can use it with every kind of device. But I have to test that one out. You get another. Is it to make it longer? I don't know what this one's for. I couldn't tell you. It just looks like a 3.5mm jack to a 3.5mm jack thing. Or is it headphones? I don't know. Anyway, this is the mic. Well, check the box first. Oh, cool. Sweet little carry case. So, you don't need any of that, which is great. I assume this is for just winding it up and over, and then you sticker in here. That's a very nice case. That is a very nice case, actually, I have to say. It's very soft, it's very nice, very premium feeling. I have to say, this thing was about 30 quid, by the way, as well. So it's not major. Wouldn't break the bank, like. This is the microphone. Yeah, so this is the microphone in all of its glory. And of course it just has like kind of a foam head on it to stop the audio from just destroying the mic, I suppose. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, well, how long is the wire? This is the question. Y'all know I like long-ish kind of wires. So let's pop this open and see. Yeah, so I can already tell this thing is going to be massive, massively long. Yeah, which makes sense if it's going to go to a camera. So it's quite a long thing, long wire. So you kind of just, the idea is you bring the wire through your shirt and clip it on here and talk instead of having a big microphone like I've got. And then if you're outside, you pop this on there as well, and you know, stops the wind and stuff. But yeah, so let's test that out and see. So yeah, I'll see you in the comprehensive review. So originally this was supposed to be a lapel mic review, but I kind of didn't know how to go about a lapel mic review. So instead I said I would do a comparison video on a Blue Yeti USB microphone in comparison to the lapel microphone. Now bear in mind I have used both of the microphones not all, but in my videos. So my first few videos would have been with the Blue Yeti microphone, and then from I think it's the Let's Calm fitness tracker. From that video back was all on the lapel microphone. Okay, so we're going to start with the Blue Yeti microphone, which is the audio you're hearing now and in the intro to the video, not in the comparison because I didn't have that file. So yeah, so this thing is a beast. Comes in at about €150, and I know that's kind of expensive. I fully agree with it being expensive, but this thing has got 3 microphones in the top of it with this steel caging around it. It's an absolute flawless microphone, I have to say. It's so good, crisp, clear, picks up every little sound in your room or wherever you're recording audio. So it's perfect. It works really well for YouTube videos, voiceovers, all that sort of crack. I've used this for I don't know how many videos for my podcast channel, The Unlucky Specialists. We use one of these between 2 people. We've only kind of recently changed that, but we use one of them per 2 people, and the audio is always flawless. We can always count on the audio to be pretty good. So this particular microphone has a couple of knobs and dials. One of them is the gain. This microphone has got knobs. Can't say that. This microphone has a lot of knobs, solid knobs. It's got a headphone jack, a mini USB, I think is what it's called, cable. That's what you connect to your laptop to run the thing, which is what I have going in the background. It's got a mute button, a volume button, and another directional knob to pick your setting. Okay, so like the gain and volume are for if you're recording and you're using headphones. So you just plug in your headphones into the microphone and you can play it back to your headphones. Now I've never actually used that feature because I've never had to use that feature, but you know, you can adjust that kind of on the fly. The mute button is if you don't want something picked up, you just tap the mute button and it mutes the audio input from the microphone, which is pretty handy, I suppose. And then the final knob is for, it has a couple of different settings. Like I said, it's got 3 microphones at the top, so it's got like a setting for if you're sitting in front of it, if you want to catch people from 3 directions or whatever. It's got it. It's one of these microphones. It's like it's built very well. It doesn't cost a whole ton of money, and then fits everyone's use for it, like if you buy one. So solid microphone. It's made completely out of metal and the base is heavy. It can also be dismounted from its mount and put on a boom stand or a boom arm, or like, you know, the big things that you kind of slip on the side of the desk here, and like it comes up and in. One of those things. I think they're called boom arms anyway, or something along those lines. So that's pretty handy. Yeah, so that's going to do us for the Blue Yeti microphone. So we're going to switch over now to the lapel mic, and we'll see how that one compares. Syncing. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so now we're using the lapel microphone. and this one's connected to my hoodie here at the top. So this thing cost me, I think, about 30 quid odd or so. It's got a really long cable. It comes with a couple of different accessories you would have seen in the unboxing. Hopefully that wasn't that horrible. I'm so sorry, I forgot the audio. But I've been using this for a couple of videos now, and me and Jarhead went off and got one, and we used it in our newest podcast, which sounds so much better than the rest of our podcasts because our audio levels are nearly equal now. Generally I'm louder than he is. So yeah, this thing is really handy. It's quite easy. So I nearly prefer using the lapel mic over the Blue Yeti for a couple of reasons. Well, the main reason is the ease of it. So it's got a 3.5mm jack. So you just plug it into a laptop, a phone, a tablet, whatever, and it can record it from there. You know, so you don't need to bring a big laptop with you, unless that's how you do it. But generally, like, this whole setup kind of just is minimized by using your phone, which I think is easy if you have to go place to place to place. If your camera is compatible with it, mine's not obviously, you can just plug it into the side of your camera, and then you just do like a simple like clap and the camera syncs everything up for you, instead of my nonsense that I do in all my videos that I actually left in a video. That was the Let's Con as well. Big video. But anyway, so like it can kind of, you can just get stuff done quicker with it. Like I quite like it because I can do this. I can tap and smooth my hands across my desks and stuff. I like to do this. I'm very hand gestury. I like it because I don't know why I like it. I just like doing it. But when you're using the Blue Yeti, it picks up on everything because it's like, it's solid and it's where it's based, so it's going to pick it up. This microphone probably is picking a little bit of it up. I hope it doesn't. That'll just defeat that whole purpose. But yeah, I like this for the ease and the use of it. Long cable, clips onto your shirt. The only thing I'll say is if you're going to use the lapel microphone, right, is try to plan when you record with it. Try and plan and wear something with a collar or a hood or something where it comes up above the actual t-shirt line, because it sounds really silly, but when you wear a shirt and you have it up on the top of the collar that's up here, the audio increases about tenfold, maybe. That's not a really nice statistic. That's a made-up statistic. Don't take that as it is. It doesn't improve, not that dramatically, but it's a lot better, and that's just my views. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash the like button, let me know, and all my social media links will be in the description. And yeah, let's see if we can hit that 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And remember, stay frosty.